Good morning, teachers and my dear friend. Today I am going to show you an experiment on air. So, what all things are necessary for our life? Can we live without sunlight, air, water, soil? No. They are some important elements of our life. We cannot live without them. Let's talk about air. Why air is very important? Air, we human beings and animals need air to breathe. Plant need air to grow food. Air is all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Air is made up of three different kinds of gases: nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 21%, and carbon dioxide is only 1%. So air is very important for us. So let's start the experiment on air. Take a bottle, take a glass, and take a straw, take a glass of water, take a inflated balloon, then put a hole with the help of the screwdriver, then put the straw into the bottle, then fill up with the water into the bottle. Then put the empty glass under the straw. Then take a inflated balloon and put on the top of the bottle. Air shows the air pressure, the water comes out from the straw. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Hetche. Today I am telling you about properties of air. Air is everywhere. Air has no colors, no shape. Today I am telling you how does the air takes the shape. Take a balloon and blow it up. In this balloon there is a air. Air has take the balloon shape. This way air takes different shape in different objects like wheel, ball, ring, etc. Thank you.
Learn about properties of air. So I have two candles over here and I have a glass. So I'm going to put a glass over one candle. So you can see the other candle has been extinguished and the next one is still burning. So do you know why this candle is still on? Because the airman is surrounding the candle, and if a glass is over one candle, the airman can't reach. Conclusion: oxygen is required for burning.
Hello, my name is Griva. Today I will do a most important experiment. Air occupies space. So this glass is empty. So I will put the two tissue papers inside. I will just crumble the tissue papers and do it. One. Now, if we will put the water into the tissue paper, it will wet. Now we will do something else. We put tissue paper into the water. So just start. Then we will count 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now obviously my tissue paper will wet. Oh, it's surprisingly, it is not wet. So how come you are saying how come? Because in this glass there is air. So that's why it is not allowing to come the water into the glass. So it's proof that the air occupies space. Thank you.
And then I am show you properties of air. Air is all around us. All living beings need air. And I am using one stick, two inflated balloon, and tie with thread and prick the pink balloon. The airman rushes out pink balloon. Blue balloon goes down because airman is inside the balloon. This shows airman hair weight.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to show you an experiment with these two candles. See, these two candles are burning. Now I will put a glass on the one candle. See what happens. I will count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now see what happens. See, this candle is blowed and this is burning. So why so? Because in the room there is air, so this candle is still burning, and in the glass there was no air, so this candle blowed. So we